Hi everyone, Lisa and I are about to go out for a walk. This is our daily exercise that we're allowed at the moment. I hope you're all keeping well. I hope you're all staying safe. I hope the self-isolating is not impacting you too much. And if you're one of those frontline people on the NHS, stay safe and thank you so much for everything that you are doing.
Definitely, thank you.
Yeah, so this is really great. I hope you're also getting a chance to go out and exercise as well and get a break. And thank God for all the volunteers and everything doing everything they can. And hopefully we can do stuff and I can do stuff online here to help you too. But Lisa and I are going for our walk and we've both got AirPods. I've got an iPhone 11 Pro. And what we want to do is actually pair up so that we can both listen to the same thing on the phone at the same time.
That sounds really good.
Yep, so she's got to listen to my music or whatever. So you can be listening to, YouTube, it could be video, music, audiobook, whatever. And it's really easy to do. And it works with all the AirPods, including the AirPods Pro, which are amazing. I don't have them yet.
And I can do it on my phone. My phone's not the same as yours.
No, you've got an iPhone SE. So this works on things like the iPhone 8 Plus, and you need iOS 13.1, or if you're using it on an iPad, it's iPadOS 13. And I've got a list of devices below that it works on, and it also works with the Beats wireless as well, some of those too. So just look at the list below because that could also change, so that can stay up to date. So it's really quite easy to do. So it's kind of two ways to do it. I'm going to show you the way that Apple sort of recommend. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is put in my AirPods. I'll hear a sound in the AirPods to say they've connected. And in the top right-hand corner of my phone, I'll see a headphone symbol saying that it's connected as well. Now, sometimes Lisa can just put her AirPods just near it and open the case and it comes up saying temporarily connect, which it normally does. But I'm going to show you the other way of doing that because that's easy. You just press it, and then on the back of your AirPod case, you press and hold a button there. Beats has a slightly different way of doing it, and there's a link below to the Apple support page that has how to do it on that. But again, it involves holding the power button. So I'm just going to slide down to get my AirPods up here, the control center. I can see my volume here showing me that I've got the AirPods connected. That's the AirPods symbol. And just above where it says, that's going to say Millionaire Blues by Dire Straits, is the AirPlay symbol. And I'm just going to tap on that. It gives me the option to share audio. So Lisa, if you just move your case near here and open up the case. And I'm just going to tap on share audio. And it's popped up. So it's recognized there's some AirPods. I'm going to tap on share audio, and on the back of Lisa's case there is a button, and if she presses that and holds it until it connects, and it says it's connecting. Sometimes you've got to wait a moment for this. Ta-da, it's connected.
Cool, that's brilliant.
Great.
I didn't even realise there was a button on the back. It's so hidden.
And so one of the things I can do is you can see both of us here. You can see it's got volume controls for both. So I can adjust different volume for Lisa and also for me. And there's also a master one as well here. And when we're done, quite honestly, you can just shut the AirPod cases, put your AirPods away. But we can also just untick it here. So at any point I can untick to disconnect Lisa. Or actually I could even disconnect myself and she could still be listening to my phone. I'm just going to tap here. Because the other thing I can do is I can tap and hold on the volume control. And that brings up the separate AirPod volume so I can...
Oh, that's good, because I don't want it too loud.
Yeah, cool. Excellent. So do you want to put your AirPods in?
Yeah.
So I could just start playing. We're going to listen to some music.
Should we listen to Santana?
Excellent.
Yeah,
great.
I'm not going to ask you to listen to the Archers.
Okay, right. So we're going to go for a walk. We're going to go into the forest, and I'd like to play you Santana here, but YouTube is very clever and it can detect any sort of copyright material we're using. So we're going to go for a walk. Any music I play is going to be royalty-free music. So if you're wondering why it doesn't sound like Santana, that's the reason why. So everyone, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Do tune into my live streams where I'm answering questions. Some people have already sent some through. Tune into those. They're on my YouTube channel. You can see those, or Facebook. And keep well, and let's go.
Good.